team. So now we are going to discuss about the Japanese system. So, yun, explain na natin kung paano makaka-analyze ng Japanese system. So, ang nilalasin natin actually is the Japanese system. So, nilalasin natin kung paano tayo nakakaya para ng mga Japan with our literature. So, Philippine literature was interrupted in its development with another foreign country, Japan, compared to Philippines between 1941 to 1945. Philippine literature in English, in Pangol, is led by newspapers not related in the community except for Tribune and Philippine Review. So, Filipino poverty during this period, the Pangol was followed during the Japanese occupation of nationalism, family, love, and life in the various faith, religion, and arts. Mr. Akids!
Yes, sir.
Nakikinig ka ba sa lesson natin ngayon?
Yes, po.
Sige nga. Dahil nakikinig ka, explain yung mic.
Very good. Ito po ba yung letter niligaw ng mga American?
No, you're wrong. Hindi ka nakikinig. Okay, class, let's end of the discussion. Class dismissed. So, something is needed.
Bye, sir.
Sorry. Nag-iingat na po.
So, mag-aaral ka na.
Sige po, sir. Ano kaya itong binigay ni sir? Hello, nasan ako? Sino ka?
Ako si Wanlaya.
Ano bang nangyayari dito?
Sinakop tayo ng mga Hapon. Dati akong English writer at pinagbawalan nila tayo gumamit ng lengguwahe ng mga Amerikano.
Hala, ba't sinusunog yan? Dapat pala nakinig ako kay Sir Tim. Kawawa pala ang mga Pinoy sa panahon ng mga Hapon. Ang dami palang pagbabago.